video, I'm going to show how you can actually change the language settings on your SuperBox decoder. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote and you press on the menu button on the remote. So from the menu page, use the arrow keys, the down keys, just to look for user preference or preference. So you look through the list and then you put it on it right here. So here you press OK on it for you to go straight to the preference menu, and we have the language option, which you can press OK on it just to select your language. And we have only 2 languages on the SuperBox decoder, that's English and French. So you put it on French if that's what you wanna have, and then we have the subtitles as well, which if you want the subtitles on a movie or a TV show, you can change the subtitles over here. With that one, we have different languages that you can actually set those subtitles, and you are good to go. You have a preferred second subtitle too right here. So that's it. After that, you press on the exit button for it to save automatically, and those change language will be on your decoder user interface. So that's it. If this video has been helpful, anyone new here, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back home. Thanks for watching.